How to turn on or turn off show holiday events in photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Apps. Next, scroll down, then tap on Photos. And from this screen, we then scroll down, and in here, scroll down and tap on Show Holiday Events. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here say allow recent holiday events for your home country or region to automatically appear on this device. So this feature is an options, controls where the holiday related memories and feature photos appear in the For You tab in the Photos app. When enabled, your iPhone will highlight photos and videos taken during recognized holidays, creating special memory collections. And if disabled, holiday events won't be prioritized in your feature memories. So turn it on or off as required. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.